Hello everybody, welcome to this video. As I promised, the operators. So today we are going to talk about the operators. So what are arithmetic operators? These operators are related to our math, like plus, minus, multiply, add, divide, or something called modulus or reminder. What is equality and relational operators? Equal to, double equal, means equal, not equal, greater than, less than equal to, and greater than equal to. So let's go to work on arithmetic operators first. I'm going to declare a variable int num1 is equal to 4, int num2 is equal to 2. So another variable double equal to double result is equal to num1 plus num2, and let's print the result. What will be the result of num1 plus num2? Let's change the double to var, and now let's run it. The result will be 4 plus 2, and it will be 6. So we can use minus also, that we can remove the plus, add the minus, and run it. The result will be 2, because 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. We can use also the multiplication. When number 2 is multiplied by 2, number 1 multiplied by number 2, it means 4 multiplied by 2 is equal to 8. And we can use also the division or the divide. Instead of multiply, we can use the slash or divide and run it. 4 by 2 is equal to 2. So what about the modulus or the remainder? The remainder actually is when we are using the division or divide a number to another, the remainder or the remaining will be shown by the remainder. So let's test it. For example, if I remove the divide and put a modulus or remainder, so 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. So there will not be any remainder. If we change the value to 2 to 3, it will be 1. Why it will be 1? Because the 4 divided by 3 will remain 1. This is the remainder of remain 1, and the modulus or the remainder show 1. So I hope you understand this arithmetic operator, and you can practice it, whether you can put any different number to practice. So I'm going to work on other operators like equal to. If we are using equal, single equal means it assign a value to variable. This equal adding something. For example, I add 4 inside variable num1 using equal, and add another one or add 3 in number 2 or num2 by using the equal. And other one is this equal to, means double equal, comparing two things. For example, if I want to compare number 1 to number 2, we can use double equal here. If we now go to run this will compare if 4 is equal to 3. So now the result will be true or false. Now the result is false. Why false? Because number 1 or num1 is not equal to num2. Num1 is 4 and num2 is 3. They are not equal. So it says that they are not equal. Is it equal to false? The equality of this is false. So if we change the num2 to 4, and now if we run it, the result will be true, because now 4 is equal to 4. It is true. So the result will be true. What about exclamation and equal? It means not equal to. If we use this one exclamation and one equal to, it means not equal to. Don't be confused. Now I'm going to remove one of equal and put one exclamation mark. It will be not equal to. If num1 is not equal to num2, the result will be false. Why it is false? Because num1 and num2 is equal to. When they are equal to, the not equal shows the not equality. It checks the not equality of these two numbers. These two numbers now, number 1 and number 2 are equal. Then if it checks not equality, it means not equality of these two numbers are false. Okay, I hope you understand this difference between this one and between equal to and not equal to. So what about the greater? Greater means when a number is greater another number or something is greater than other, we can use the greater. If I remove these two and I put a greater sign, I'm going to tell if number 1 is greater than number 2, the result will be what? The result will be false because number 1 is not greater than number 2. The number we give to number 1 and number 2 are equal, not greater than each other. So if I put the number 2 is equal to 5, the result will be false because number 2 is greater than number 1. If I change the number 4 to number 8, the number 1 is 8 and number 2 is 5, the result will be true. Now let's run it. Here is the result. When I put inside 8 inside number 1 and 5 inside number 2, this will be compared. Number 1, exactly number 1 is 8, 8 is greater than number 2 because number 2 is 5. So the result will be true. So also the less than is used when we are comparing number 2 to number 1. Now number 2 is greater than number 1. The result will be false because num1 is not less than num2. It shows false. If I change the number 2 to 10, now number 1 is 8. It is less than num2 because num2 is 10. The result will be true. Now run it. Here is the true. And also we can use less than equal to or greater than equal to by putting an equal sign here. We can compare these two numbers. The result will be true because the number 1 is less than equal to 10, and also this number 2 is greater than equal to number 1. I hope you learned something from this video about the arithmetic operators and the relational operators. We will work on them and when we reach on control flows, so we use this all again on our code. Don't worry and practice them. I'm sure that you will learn all of them easily. Thank you and see you in the next video.